Hi everyone, so welcome back. In today's lecture, we will show how to create a CentOS virtual machine in VMware Workstation. For that, you need to do File, New Virtual Machine, select Custom, click on Next, select the hardware as Workstation 15.x, click on Next. I will install the operating system later. Next. I will be installing a Linux and it would be a CentOS. CentOS 7. Click on next and you can mention the name as Nagios XI server. Click on next and I want to give it a 2-core processor. Clicking on next and I want to assign it 2 GB of RAM. It will be using network address translation. Next, next, create a new virtual disk. I will be giving here 50 GB. Store virtual disk as a single file. Clicking on next, next, finish. So our Nagios XI server is prepared. Next, what I will do, I will click on power on this virtual machine and it will click yes, and this time it will be not be able to boot up anything because we have not selected any image here. So for that, what I will do, I will power up this server. So I have powered up this server. I will go to edit virtual machine settings. I will go to CD DVD, use IOC image file, browse. I will go to documents. I have a folder with ISOs. Let me quickly check. So I have selected the ISO. Now I will click on OK. So this is done. Now I will power on this virtual machine. So what I will do, I will install CentOS 7. So I have clicked on install CentOS 7. I have pressed enter to begin the installation process. So it is starting the installer and the process will follow. So I will select English as the language, continue. And here let it populate. Okay, so it will be a minimal install and installation destination. I'll select this, then done, and I can click on begin installation. Root password, I need to select root password. So the password that I have selected is weak, and as the password is weak, I need to click done twice. One, two, and it will start processing and installing all those firmwares, applications, and everything. I am showing with CentOS 7. In later videos, I will try to install Nagios in CentOS 8 and CentOS 9 as well. So it's installing Postfix kernel and everything we are able to see here. So it's performing post installation setup task. As it's a minimal install, we may need to install more packages into this system. So I will resume back this video once the post installation task is completed. So it has been completed. The CentOS is now successfully installed and it's ready for our use. So we will go ahead and reboot this machine. So I've clicked on reboot button and it's rebooting currently. So it's prompting me for my username. So I will log in as root and I will enter my password, and I have logged into my newly created Nagios XI server. So if I click ls this, so what I will do, I will cat etc os release. So it's showing this. If I click if config, so as this minimal install, it will not work. For this, I need to run yum. First, I need to check the connectivity of this machine. If I write ping.google.com, is it picking? No. Google.com name or service not known. So that's create a sense that we need to look for the network. And I will open a text-based editor, network monitoring tool called NMTUI. So here I will click select activate connection and I will click on activate. It's activated. If I click on back, wait. So I have activated the connection. And if I now try to ping google.com, is it working? Yes, we are getting a reply from google.com. So now the next part is to identify the IP address. We will install a package called yum install nettools, and I will click a Y flag. So nettools have been installed. If I now write if config, I will able to get the IP address of this machine, which is speaking 192.168.135.130, and all the network details. And that's all in this lecture, where we have learned how to install CentOS 7 and configure or activate the internet connection in this PC. And thank you again. Thanks for watching.